Great scholars, let us consider subtraction of whole numbers. Subtraction of whole numbers. Of whole numbers. Subtraction of whole numbers. Let us deal with subtraction of whole numbers. Quickly, before we deal with that of decimals, how to subtract whole numbers. Let's look at some examples here. This is a sign or symbol for subtraction. It's take away. You can call it take away. You can call it take away. Let's look at some examples here. 496, take away 2, 3, 4. 496, 496, take away 234. 496, take away 234. Write your solution. Write the first number, 496. Remember, this is your unit, tens, and hundred. So arrange your numbers properly to fit in each of the place value. This is the unit 4. Put it under 6, 3, under 9, and 2 under 100. Don't start arrangement from the 100 part. Always start your arrangement from the unit part. Now, do your takeaway. Put your symbol or your operational symbol. 6 take away 4. You want to count your 6, count your sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take out 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're left with 2 sticks. So 6 take away 4 is 2. And 9 take away 3. Take out 3 sticks out from 9. Your answer is 6. 4 take away 2 is 2. Your answer is 264. Your answer is 264. So if you take out this number from this is what you're going to have. Another term for subtraction is difference. Difference. So in case you're asked to do with that, if you're asked what is the difference, what is the difference between 3496 and 147? What is the difference between 3496 and 147? What they're asking you to do precisely is to take away or to subtract those two numbers. Solution. Write the first number, 3496. The second one, that will be that. Let me use a 5 right now. 5, 4, and 1. Put your minus sign. You can fill this gap with 0. 6 take away 5 is 1. 9 take away 4 is 5. 4 take away 1 is 3. And 3 take away 0 is 3. So the difference is 3,351. The difference is 3,351. That is what they want to get as your right answer. Let's quickly deal with carrying of numbers. Carrying of numbers when dealing with subtraction, carrying numbers. I'll give you a problem how to deal with that. You have 934 minus 298. 934 take away 298. 934 take away 298. Solution. This will involve carrying numbers. You have 934. You have 892. Put your operation sign, take away. Now you start 4, take away 8. Can you take away 8 out from 4? It's not possible. So you borrow from the preceding number you have here, 3. Borrow 1 from 3, you'll be left with 2. Don't forget, borrow 1 from 3, you'll be left with 2. But the one you borrowed is 10, because this number is a base 10 number. So the one you borrowed from 3 is 10. So add it here, that will become 14. Remember, borrow 1 from 3, you'll be left with 2. But I said the one you borrowed from 3 is 10. It's equivalent to 10. It's the same as 10. So put that 10 here, you get 14 as your answer. So 14 take away 8, your answer is 6. Don't forget you're left here with 2. 2 take away 9 is not possible. Borrow 1 from 9, you'll be left with 8. But the one you borrowed is 10, because these numbers are base 10 number. So the one you borrowed from 9 is 10. Put that one to close to 2, that becomes 12. If you put that one close to 2, that becomes 12. 12 take away 9, your answer is 3. Then 8 take away 2, your answer is 6. So your answer is 636. 636. So if you are to subtract all numbers, the one that has to do with carrying or borrowing numbers, and the one that has not to do with carrying numbers or borrowing numbers, this is how you deal with them. Remember, any number you borrow from a particular number, that number you borrowed is the same as 10. Don't forget, because the numbers you're dealing with are base 10 numbers. So carefully do this yourself. Do the following. Take away the following numbers. 676 take away 125. 3,124 take away 1,986. 756 take away 487. 932 take away 411. Carefully go through this and get your right answers and forward them to me. Thank you.